our channel and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and leave a comment about this video. So today, we are going to do a tutorial for data structure algorithm. Without further ado, let's get started.
Data structure is the way we can store and retrieve the data. It is important to learn because easier to organize the data to suit a specific purpose so we can access and perform operation with appropriate ways. Efficiently, a program runs and quick. Also, data structure will helpful to write efficient code, solve the problems, and can be maintained more easily by encouraging a better implementation. Data structure is a particular way of organizing data, and a computer developer must choose the appropriate data structure for better performance. We got 18 kinds of data structure.
Linked list, circular linked list, doubly linked list, stack, queue, binary tree, binary search tree, heap, hashing, graph, red black tree, array, matrix, B3, play tree, ABL3, try, minimum spanning tree.
Data structures are very important programming concept. They provide us with means to store, organize, and retrieve data in an efficient manner. First, what is data structure? A data structure is a specialized format for organizing, processing, retrieving, and storing data. While there are several basic and advanced structure types, any data structure is designed to arrange data to suit a specific purpose so that it can be accessed and work within appropriate ways. The data structures are used to make working with our data easier. There are many data structures which help us with this. Different types of data structure is applicable on different problems in real life. One of these is arrangement of book title in library management system. A library management system is a software built to handle the primary housekeeping functions of a library. Libraries rely on library management systems to manage asset collections as well as relationships with their members. Library management systems help libraries keep track of the books and their checkouts, as well as members' subscriptions and profiles.
The management system also involves maintaining the database for entering new books and recording books that have been borrowed with their respective due dates. Arrays are used to implement mathematical vectors and matrix as well as other kinds of rectangular tables. Many databases, small and large, consist of one-dimensional array whose elements are records, new books, and recording books, titles, and dates of borrowing are elements where arrays, lists, queues, and stacks were applied. These data structures are helpful for librarians in terms of library records. It is convenient way in storing and recording library data.
There are different types of data structure. For us to be able to solve the problem efficiently, we must use the most basic data structure. It is the array. Array is the simplest and most widely used data structure. It allows direct to elements. For example, a search engine may use an array to store web pages found in a search performed by the user. When displaying the results, the program will output one element of the array at a time. This may be done for a specified number of values or until all the values stored in the array have been output. While the program could create a new variable for each result found, storing the results in an array is a much more efficient way to manage memory. Here's an image of a simple array of size 5 containing elements 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Each data element is assigned a position numerical value called the index. Index corresponds to the position of that item in the array. 0 is the majority starting index of the array. There are basic operations on arrays. First is size. Get the total numbers of elements in array. Second is get. Returns the elements at a given index. Third is delete. Deletes an elements at given index. Fourth, insert. Insert an elements at a given index. There are two types of arrays. First is one-dimensional arrays, as shown on image. Second is multi-dimensional arrays, array within array. For you to identify the data structure to solve a problem efficiently, there are different interview questions to be asked. Includes: first is merge two sorted arrays. Second is find the second minimum element of an array. Third is first non-repeating integers in an array. Fourth is rearrange positive and negative values in an array.
Yes, we are familiar with this data structure. We are familiar with linked lists that were used on Python language. A linked list is a linear data structure in which the elements are not stored at contiguous memory locations. The elements in a linked list are linked using pointers as shown image below. Linked list size is dynamic. We can add data as much as we want. In simple words, a linked list consists of nodes where each node contains a data field and a reference to the next node in the list.
Thank you for watching this video.
I hope you learned something.
Hope you like it!
And see you on next video.
Bye-bye!
Thank you.